हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल फ्रेंड्स। आज मैं जा रहा हूँ Hyundai शोरूम, जहाँ पे मैं i20 N लाइन का मैं एक रिव्यू वीडियो बनाने वाला हूँ। एंड दैट्स द मोस्ट अवेटिंग एंड हॉट टॉपिक वीडियो राइट नाउ. इट्स ट्रेंडिंग इन YouTube as well. So I'm going to the same Trident Hyundai Hosur Road showroom, and I'll meet you with the person whose name is Ashik. So he's the most dynamic person in the entire showroom, and he keeps his commitment. Okay, not only him, but the entire team of Trident Hyundai, they keep their commitment, because Ashik can help you to book the car, but the rest of the things like logistics, service, PDI, and everything, that has to be done by the entire team. So I must thank Trident Hyundai to help me to create this video and the content. So I don't want to waste much time, keep talking. So just quickly go through the video and let me know in the comment section that how it was, and what more you require. So people, those who are new in this channel, please subscribe my channel and keep sharing with your friends. Let's go to the Hyundai showroom and complete this video. Thank you.
So he is the one of the senior most sales executive. His name is Ashik. So people, those who want to take this car, or if you want to take any of the Hyundai car, you come and contact him. He is the most dynamic and the most reliable person. Not only him, the entire team of Trident Hyundai had done an excellent job during the time of my car delivery, and you can have a look on this entire premises as well. So they are maintaining the COVID protocol very well.
So let's take a look at this car. You can see a beautiful N-line badge with the checkered flag grille. The front part looks very aggressive. This car has a dual tone black and red color lower lip. You would get 16-inch alloy wheels along with the beautiful N-line badge on the center. Red color brake calipers. There is one more N-line badge on the fender as well. The turn indicators are on the ORVMs. B and C pillar comes with black color. The side skirting is also red colored. You could see an i20 badge on the tail lamp as well. It's as same as the normal i20, but here you will get the LED tail lamps. So you could see an i20 logo on the left hand side. It's absolutely chrome. The Hyundai logo in the center, and one more N-line badge over here on the right hand side. Coming to the muffler, it's a dual tip muffler, and it's absolutely factory fitted and absolutely stock. I'll show you the exhaust note later on this video. So this is the N6 variant. It doesn't come with the projector headlamps, but you would get projector fog lamps in the bumper, and both are halogen lights. Let's look at the interior part of the car. So on the driver's side door console, you will get all 4 power window switches, the electrically adjustable mirror switch, the mirror open and close button, the window lock and unlock switch. So the red color outline is there on the grabbing part of the door. Here's the absolute digital cluster. The instrument cluster is absolutely digital. So this is the display which you are able to see when you turn on the ignition. It's a dual tone AC vent adjuster. All are in red. Here is the cruise control button. Here's the music button. and this is the central console, and this car comes with the touch music system, and it supports Android and Apple both. So the dashboard looks like almost same except the AC vents. The glove box storage capacity is as same as the normal i20, and it comes with the cooling feature as well. So this is the adjuster from where you can enable the cooling function of your glove box. This is an IMT 6-speed gearbox. This comes with the inline badge as well. It comes with the fully functional sunroof, but yeah, this cover you have to remove manually, and here's the operating button. So if you press it, it will lean up, and then you need to pull it backward to open the sunroof, and push it forward to close the sunroof. Let me show you a 360-degree view of the front part of the cabin. Here in N-Line, you will get the height adjustable driver's seat, and this comes with the very well stitched red colored fabric leather seats with the height adjustable headrest. The AC controllers are manual for the N6 version. You will get a 12-volt charging socket along with the USB charging point. It doesn't come with the wireless charger. Here is the hazard light button. This is the music system that comes with the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It's a fully touched music. It's a fully touch music system. You can do screen sharing from your mobile device as well. The combination switches are as similar as the normal i20. Let's take a look at the rear part of the cabin. Same type of grabbing part of the rear door, and the rear seats are also same type, red and black fabrics. The same kind of AC vent levelers, red and black colored. You will get a 12-volt charging socket for the rear seat, and center mounted storage. Now coming to the most important part, this car comes with the 1-liter 3-cylinder turbo charged GDI petrol engine, which produces the power of 120 PS at 6000 rpm and 172 Newton meter torque, which is way more than the normal i20 petrol version. And now it's time to hear the exhaust note, the most awaiting exhaust note.